Join your both the legs, take the heels closer to your buttocks, interlock your finger, press the knees down and maintain the spine straight and breathe normally. Slowly release your hands and straightening your legs. Come to the cat pose and take a left leg in between your palms, your ankle and knees and thighs in one line. Bring your back of the thighs closer to the ground, turn it well and bring it closer to the ground. And just maintain the spine straight and stay here. Either you can bring your chest towards your ankle, slide your hands ahead and rest your forehead on the ground. Then you can slowly come back, bring your heels closer to your pelvis and you can sit in Vajrasana. Relax. Come to the cat pose. Take a left leg in between your palms and slide your right leg behind your knees and ankle 90 degree and bring your pelvis downward. First you can stay here. Second, you can place the palms on the knees. And third one, you can raise your hands up over the head and curve your back. And keep pushing the pelvis down. Slowly you can put your palms down, both the knee join and go for the Vajrasana. Take your legs apart and take a palm support and increase the distance a bit more. Toes pointing sideways, diagonal. Take a palm support and slide your right leg sideways. Make sure left knee and ankle 90 degree. Bring your pelvis down. Maintain the spine straight. You need to keep pushing the pelvis down. If you cannot do it, raise a bit hips more up and stay there. And keep pushing downward, you will be able to reach this position. Take the support of the palms and come back easily. Take 2.5 feet distance apart, toes pointing outward. Place the palms on the ground and push your midsection downward. And then after you can join your palms and maintain the spine straight.